Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. I just am now looking at myself for the first time, and man, is it scary. Let's try that again. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today, and there's a dog. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a very limited guitar from the folks at Taylor. Not limited in the sense that only a couple will be made, but this is the first edition, the unveiling of the new body style, the Grand Orchestra. What we have here is a Taylor 518E first edition. But I know you're all excited about to hear about this guitar, but I want to just take this opportunity to say please sign up for the Acoustic Letter. We'd appreciate it if you did so, and you will appreciate it if you did so as well. I'm really excited about demoing this guitar because we are the first ones to do it. You're going to hear the Taylor Grand Orchestra body size here first. On to the Taylor 518E first edition. It's a first edition because, well, they've never done this before. This is Taylor's newly designed body shape, and man, let me tell you, what a cool instrument. It is a jumbo body shape. It has a huge soundboard. Big sound-producing piece of Sitka spruce on the top. And it's much deeper than usual. Mahogany back and sides while I have the guitar flipped. This guitar is extremely well balanced for a jumbo body size. Most of the times we think of jumbos or bigger body size guitars as kind of muddy and not very clear. But this guitar, the Grand Orchestra, is actually braced especially to make sure that the notes are articulated, the notes come across clear, and nothing necessarily overpowers anything. It's a very even-toned, very well-balanced jumbo. And man, this guitar is a treat to play. Let me show you the other appointments. We have an ebony bridge with ebony pins, a tusk saddle, your typical 500 series appointments on an ebony fingerboard, a little tortoiseshell binding here, which is just awesome. This guitar sounds incredible and looks elegant as well. It has the Taylor Expression System, a great sounding pickup. On the headstock, we have a rosewood overlay with an inlaid diamond and the Taylor logo there on top. We have Taylor tuners. We have a mahogany neck, and like I said before, solid mahogany back and sides. So, now's the time. We're going to give this Grand Orchestra, the Taylor 518E, first edition, a play so you can hear what this body size sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.